What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Did you know that you can redeem codes in Dying Light the Beast to gain access to limited time items and things like that? In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know and much more. First of all, in order to actually claim these codes, you'll need an account on the official Techland website. You can head across to pilgrimadpost.techlandgg.com, linked down below, and sign up here if you don't already have a Dying Light account. Otherwise, you can log in up here. Now, as for the Techland game code, not too sure what this is, but it's filled in already, so leave it as is. Fill in your email address, password, confirm it, and optionally tick receiving newsletters. For me, I'll just tick accept down here. Then on the left, you'll see everything we can do. To begin, we need to confirm our account with the email sent to our inbox. Once you activate your account, you can log in. Then you can choose the platform you're on. In my case, it's Steam. You can then link your Steam account, and whatever games you own should be ticked below. I've got everything, so that's what shows here. Then we can customize our profile if you wish, scroll down, and we can claim our first item here. Sweet. Now, in order to actually redeem tokens, head across to redeem at the very top, and now we can just punch in codes here. You can find codes on the internet. These are called Docket Codes. For example, we can use EWA and we redeem a reward successfully. That's great, but what is it and where did it go? Well, claimed items will automatically appear in your in-game stash. So fire up your campaign and now find your way to a stash. I've got one right here. So opening it, redeemable rewards. Inside of here, we should see some new items. It should be somewhere here. Let's redeem another one. Back to the redeem page. WASD is another code. Claim this. And now rejoining our campaign. Or of course, I assume just waiting a while for things to refresh, heading back to our stash. Now you can see we've got a brand new token here. So we've got 2 tokens. There we go. Provides a limited weapon, more powerful, durable, and cheaply enhanced, although at the cost of repairs. So if we redeem one of these, bang, it opens up a random item. There we go. Add it to our stash, and checking out our stash here, weapons, there you go. This was just unlocked. Unfortunately, it can't be repaired, but at least there's more than a few codes. In the description, you'll find all of the ones that I know of, but of course, there's probably more out there on the internet. Here's another one, 321BCR, then EDGAR, Docket Code, GUTTENTAGHERRBOBER, not too sure how to say that, but there you go. The Ultimate Survivor, HalvaLover, not even going to try with this one, SP024107, T1701, 357, 911, the Lost Digits, that's pretty funny, CH29 663 34, these are getting oddly long, and then the rest of these just sort of look like Steam codes. There's one, here's another, obviously these won't actually work in Steam, there's the third one, and something that looks like a time code, and finally this, not too sure what it is, but there you go. I've redeemed all 19 of them that I know of. There's probably more out there, but there you go. If you do discover more, do let me know down below, but for now at least I'll quit, rejoin our campaign, coming back here, things should have redeemed, yep, there you go, 18, and we've obviously used one of them already. Usually most of these will be green tier, so there's nothing too crazy here. But basically, you can find these codes by following Techland, Dying Light the Beast, and things like that on Twitter, Facebook, wherever else they're active. You might see these things popping up once in a while, or of course, just wait for a video like this, website article, etc. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Again, you'll find everything linked down below, all the codes to copy and paste, and obviously if you discover another one, please do let me and others know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.